Assalamualaikum. Today, our group want to present about automatic sliding door. Okay. This is my group member. I have 4 group member: Muhammad Anif Farhan, Muhammad Syafiq Nasrullah, Amirul Afiq, me, and Syam Azim.
For introduction, an automatic sliding door is a door that operates fully automatically, depending on its design. For introduction, an automatic sliding door is a door that operates fully automatically, depending on its design, sensor, and the duration set for the door to open. And for our objective, first is software 68K to develop a project and run the programming using software using 68K microprocessor for sensory element to make the door open and close automatically. And safety features is to develop safety features for any users. And for problem statement, first, users neglected to shut the door when leaving the premise. Second, users encountered difficulty opening the door with full hands. And the third one is user can ensure that the door were safe to use. For the project progress, the first thing is the student will be given the task that For the project progress, student has been assigned a PBL project. Then all the group member will discuss and planning the schedule. Then everyone start their assigned tasks. Sometimes it will a little bit challenging, and we will try to solve the coding error. And the last but not least, we need to finish all the PBL before the due time. For the flowchart, it will, from the start, the flowchart begins with the door in the closed state. Then the sensor check. The sensor continuously monitors for the presence of a person. When a person is detected, the flowchart proceeds to the yes branch, which is the door will be closed in 10 seconds. And in the 10 seconds, if the sensor cannot detect a person again, and the door will close. And this cycle will always repeat and repeat again until the system is closed.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Anif Farhan bin Muhammad Noor, and I will explain the coding for our assignment. The title is automatic sliding door. So this is our equates. We use segment 1 into segment 8, and we use the origin $1000, and this is our start section. So we move dot B percent 1 million to segment 2 binary, move binary to 1 million into segment 2, and this is move dot B2 4% 1 million, segment 8 move binary 1000 into segment 8. So LED will be off. So this is the input output function. So this is our on section. The LED will be on, the initial timer, and the pra and the start will be the first loop for our code. So this is the timer section. The segment 3 to segment 7 will be dash and open. So if this will be delay, it will count by 9 to 1, and looping, and it will be looping until the sensor not detected. So this is the stop movement. For segment 7 to segment for segment 3 to segment 7, it will be display close. So this is the delay. The delay countdown between addresses segment 1, and we use the 1 second delay to delay the timer. So this is the off section of LED, and this is the end directive. So it marks the end of the assembly code specifying the entry point as start. So I will run the simulation, execute. So the simulation, when the movement is detected, the timer, the door, the sliding door will be open, and it will count by 9 seconds until 1, the door will be open. For the button 0, if a movement is detected, it will be looping to 9 again. The door will be open for 9 seconds, 9 seconds to 1 second again. So if I switch off the 0, the button 0, is the movement is not detected. So the door will be open for 9 seconds until it becomes 0. So the door will be closed and the count will be 0. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So I will continue with the operation of this project. Firstly, when no object or movement was detected, 7 segment will display a close, and a 0 at the 7 segment will act like a sensor. Continue with operation number 2. When sensor sense any object or person, the 7 segment will display open, and button 0 will on state act as sensor, and the sliding door will open or operate, and it will start count from 9 seconds at the display. For the operation number 3, if there is no movement sense after counting start, the timer will continue count from 9 to 0. And if there any movement detected, it will remain open and the counter is back to count for 0 second again. And for lastly, the operation for 4, if no movement is detected after 10 counter, the door will close. The door will close again. The display will show close at the 7 segment. For the conclusion, the project goal has been fulfilled. Automate door are a useful tool for reducing energy use, maintaining hygienic condition, and eliminating barriers. It also addresses the issue of people helping customer when their hands are full and failing to shut the door when they leave the establishment. A microprocessor-based automatic sliding door was constructed successfully. It is advised to install a smoke detector as a safety element for this motorized sliding door. Thank you so much. That's all from us. Thank you for listening.